Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ryan Burns. I was I was listening to NHPR, and there was a person that said, um, that reminded me that don't use social media as a means. I can still use social media to post some stuff, but don't rely on them for misinformation. You need to be smart, people, on what social media you're concentrating on. Um, with me, for news, I don't watch Fox News and all this other crap. I tend to gravitate towards NHPR. Because that's closer to the actual news. It's less opinionated. I'm not trying to say that it's not opinionated. There is very little opinions on NHPR, but the rest is all news. My word to everybody is you can still use social media to post anything but hate crimes and stuff, but I try not to post too much on politics, because I am not a politics kind of a person. You will never see me run for president, because I would be a bad one. So just be careful out there. You can still use your social media. I'm not telling you you can't, but there are other things you could be doing with social media. Bye.